Welcome to Fortress KuCoin. Today we're fortifying your crypto account with 6 unbreakable steps. Step 1. Enable two-factor authentication. It's your digital armor against unauthorized access. Choose your 2FA method: phone, email, or Google Authenticator. Let's set it up together. Step 2. Create a fortress-like password. Mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for maximum strength. Step 3. Update your password regularly. Mark your calendar and stay one step ahead of potential threats. Step 4. Use only secure private devices to access KuCoin. Public computers are off-limits. Stay alert for phishing attempts. Legitimate sites never ask for your password via email or message. Step 5. Always verify the official KuCoin website. Check the URL and security certificate before logging in. Create a unique security phrase. This personal touch helps you identify the real KuCoin site. Step 6. Set up mobile binding. This extra layer of security ties your account to your trusted device. Recap: 2FA, strong passwords, regular updates, secure devices, site verification, and mobile binding. Your crypto fortress is complete. Remember, in the crypto world, vigilance is key. Stay informed and stay secure. Your KuCoin fortress awaits. Take action now to secure your crypto future. Ready to build your crypto fortress? Click below to create your secure KuCoin account today.